Hello and welcome back to Say Natural DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural hair leave-in conditioner. So the ingredients used for this natural hair leave-in conditioner makes it a detangling conditioner. If you find it difficult combing your hair, detangling your hair, this leave-in conditioner is the answer to your worry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Use the comment section if you have any question or concern after watching this video, and please don't forget to share my video. Started with today's tutorial, I'm going to start with my water face first. In a clean bowl, I'm going to pour my water, and the next is my aloe vera juice. I'm going to mix it together. Then with a separate bowl, I'm going to mix my guar gum and glycerin together. Guar gum is a thickener. It helps with the sleek of the conditioner. So I'm going to mix my guar gum with glycerin. Exactly what I'm doing at this point. After mixing it, then I'm going to add it to the water face. So after adding it to the water face, I'm going to mix it to combine it very well. So after that, I move to my oil face, and in a separate bowl, I'm adding my emulsifying wax, and the next is my cedar alcohol. And after that, my oils, I'm using coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil. So after mixing it together, I'm going to put them in a double boiler and make sure my oil melts. After melting, I'm going to pour my oil and mix it as I'm doing at this point. So after mixing it a little, I'm going to put it in a flat surface, and with my hand blender, I'm going to keep blending until I get the consistency I want. So after blending this for some while, this is the consistency I have with my leave-in conditioner. So this is the cool down phase. I'm adding my preservative essential oils, and I added vitamin E oil as well, and my deep panthenol. And in this video, below this video, I'm going to drop the ingredients. So not to worry, you are going to get the ingredients and the measurement I use for this tutorial. Then after mixing it, make sure I mix it very well to combine everything, all the ingredients together. The next is my essential oils. Instead of using a fragrance, I'm using essential oils to replace my fragrance, and I'm using tea tree, lavender, and bergamot essential oils. So after adding my essential oils and preservative, I'm going to mix very well. At this time, I'm not using my hand blender, rather I'm using my spatula to mix. Make sure I combine very well as I'm doing at this point. So after combining it together, in a clean container, I'm going to pour in my natural hair leave-in conditioner in a container. Though before I poured it, it got thicker. I would have poured it before this time, but not to worry. With a funnel, I'm going to carefully and gently pour it inside my bottle as I'm doing at this point, and being patient, making sure the leave-in conditioner pass through the funnel to the bottle I'm using. So guys, this is our leave-in conditioner. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to use the comment section, share my videos, like them and comment. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do so. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.